Hello, in this video we will learn about concurrent HashMap versus synchronized map using working example. First we will learn about the concurrent HashMap in Java. The concurrent HashMap class provides a concurrent version of the standard HashMap. So its functionality is similar to HashMap, except that it has internally maintained concurrency. Depending upon the level of concurrency required, the concurrent HashMap is internally divided into segments. If the level of concurrency required is not specified, then it is takes 16 as the default value. So internally, the concurrent HashMap will be divided into 16 segments. Each segment behaves independently. So now we will learn why use concurrent HashMap. We use ConcurrentHashMap when a high level of concurrency is required in your application or in your project. But already synchronized map is present, so what advantage does ConcurrentHashMap over synchronized map? The ConcurrentHashMap and synchronized map both are thread safe. The major advantage is in case of synchronized map, every read-write operation requires a lock on entire synchronized map, while in case of concurrent, the lock is only on one of the segments, or this is only for write. We will learn about that difference in deeper. Okay, you can also check with this images difference about the locking mechanism. This is the synchronized map providing the locking on entire has map, and this is the concurrent HashMap image. You can see this is providing locking only based on a particular segment. So having two segment inside that, and they provided locks on both the segments. So not on completely object. Now we will check what is the difference between a synchronized HashMap and concurrent HashMap. Synchronized map is at object level. Concurrent HashMap synchronization at segment level. A lock is obtained for a read-write operation at object level and inside only for write operation, and it is only for a segment level. And concurrency level cannot be set for better optimization. It can be set for better optimization. Concurrent modification exception is thrown if a thread tries to modify an existing synchronized map which is being iterated. Concurrent modification exception is thrown if a thread tries to modify an existing concurrent HashMap which is being iterated. But yeah, in concurrent HashMap, very less chance for concurrent modification exception as compared to synchronized map. Since at a given time only one single thread can modify the map and block other threads, the performance is comparatively bad. And multiple thread in concurrent HashMap, multiple threads can modify concurrent HashMap, hence performance is better, much better, because it provides the locking on segments as we had discussed a number of time in this video. Now we will check all the points with the help of practical. So here I create the project. It's already created. I'll create the class. I'll provide the name of class as a worker class, worker thread 1, and I just create the variable. Here the map from util string, and the value I can take integer and map. Then I'll create, right click on that, and I just go inside the source and generate the constructor using field. I'll create the constructor here, and then I'll create not create for making this class as a thread. I'll implement the runnable interface here, and I need to override the run method. I'll override the run method. From run method, simply I just put the value inside the map dot put, sorry, put key. Suppose I put it 1 and the value 1, and then I'll use the thread dot sleep method. Sorry, Select, I'll provide the sleeping time here, and then I'll write the message. I need to handle the exception with the help of try catch block, because yeah. Then here I'll provide the message working thread. For example, working thread 1 is sleeping. Okay, so now I have created finally this. I just put it message on top. Okay, and I just created the implemented this worker thread as a thread class with the help of runnable interface. Now I need to start the thread. So I'll use for starting the thread. I'll create the thread class 2, and I'll copy paste the entire code inside 2 and just change the name only. Same I will do for third or fourth. So simply I had created a for thread 2, just I change the messaging name and all, and everything is similar as we had discussed for thread 1, worker thread 1. Now I'll create the test class for a testing. Okay, from this test class first I'll create the object of map hasmap. I'll take here, so I'll take same like string and the value as an integer, and map equals to new hasmap. Okay, it is in paste here. Then I'll convert it into the synchronized map. Here, so I'll create again hasmap type reference variable here. I'll use sync map, and then I'll use the collection utility class of a collection framework and synchronized map. You can see this is the synchronized map method, and I'll pass this map from the constructor of this method as an argument I will pass. Okay, now I'll start the thread. So work new worker thread 1, and I'll pass the synchronized map from that, and I'll initiate all 4 thread we have created, right? I'll change the name only here, and 4. Then I'll run Java application, and you can see here the all threads are started, right? So here I am passing the synchronized map from all threads, right? And in this I am putting the value, right? In all thread you can see I am putting the value inside the map which we are sharing with the thread. Now just I am also performing iterating operation, and I am also writing inside the synchronized map. Then we will run, then we will see what will happen with that. So here you can see they having the concurrent modification exception we got, because this provide the locking on both read operation and write operation. Simply we will check with concurrent has map, then we no need to do, we just replace this with the concurrent has map. Now I just corrected this from the concurrent has map, and then I'll run this again. So here you cannot get the concurrent modification exception, because concurrent has map provide a locking mechanism on a write operations and not on read operation. So one questions for you guys, if you want to check the performance issues, so then you can also check is here this situation you can put inside the loop with 100, then you can see the performance as well, and you can also check the monitoring all the things. So you can check, this is up to you, otherwise I will tell you in the next video. Thanks for watching it. Thank you.